Okay, this video may allow you to get a lot more functions out of your P3 LiftMaster garage door opener. We're talking about a garage door opener that has the Wi-Fi capabilities. So I had this thing installed a couple weeks ago and it was great. But I did find one thing that was not great. Let's go over and look at this garage door panel. Okay, this is the one they installed. It was functional. It opened and closed the door and it turned on the light. But that's all. I knew that Chamberlain LiftMaster made a much better remote that was compatible with my garage door opener. Here it is right here. It's the LiftMaster 880LMW, and it's under $50. And you connect it with the same two wires, one red, one white. The screws all line up. It took 10 minutes to install. Here it is right here. You get your time and your temperature. Also, there is a light sensor. So when you're walking into your garage from the house, a light goes on. Now you notice the garage door is closing. I had it set for 10 minutes to close. That beeping sound tells you that the garage door is about to close. So you come home late at night, you're getting the kids in, they're tired, you didn't close the garage door. But with the 880 LMW and you setting it to your desired time, I have it at 10 minutes, it'll close in 10 minutes. Nice feature. Like I said, I wish they would have offered this for another $45. Okay, it works and is compatible with the MyQ and the Wi-Fi. It all works great. The last one did not have the light sensor. Frankly, in 2019, I can't believe you would not have a light sensor when you walked in to your garage from the house. So this looks like the one to get. It works for me. Has all the bells and whistles, very easy to install. That's all I had to do when I hooked it up. So if you're getting a LiftMaster garage door panel with your garage door opener, get this one. This one, not so good. Hope that helped. See you later.